Did you know that Africa's stock markets are growing faster than ever? Yet, millions of people on the continent still don't know how to invest in them. Imagine making your money work for you while African companies grow and expand. Today, we're going to break down exactly how the stock market works in Africa and why you don't need to be a financial expert to start your journey. First, let's start with the basics. A stock market is like a giant marketplace where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you own a share, you own a small piece of that company. Companies list their shares on stock exchanges to raise money for growth, and investors buy those shares hoping the company will become more valuable over time. Africa has several stock exchanges, including the Johannesburg Stock Exchange in South Africa, the Nigerian Exchange, and the Nairobi Securities Exchange in Kenya. How it works? Here's how it actually works. Suppose you want to invest in a Nigerian technology company. You'd go through a broker, which can be an online platform, and buy shares of that company at the current market price. If the company does well, the value of your shares goes up and you can sell them later for a profit. Some companies also pay dividends. This is money the company shares with its shareholders as a reward for investing. The stock price changes every day based on supply and demand. If many people want to buy a stock, its price goes up. If more people are selling, the price goes down. This is influenced by company performance, economic conditions, government policies, and even global events. In Africa, factors like political stability, foreign investment, and commodity prices often have a big impact on stock markets. Popular stock exchanges in Africa. Let's look at the key stock exchanges in Africa. Johannesburg Stock Exchange, JSE. South Africa's JSE is the largest in Africa, hosting hundreds of companies from mining giants to tech startups. 2. Nigerian Exchange, NGX. Nigeria's exchange is fast-growing, especially in banking, telecommunications, and consumer goods. 3. Nairobi Securities Exchange, NSE. Kenya's NSE is a hub for East African businesses, offering opportunities in agriculture, banking, and manufacturing. Other smaller exchanges exist in Ghana, Egypt, and Morocco, each with unique opportunities and challenges. Why investing in Africa can be powerful. Why consider investing in African stock markets? Africa is home to a growing middle class, rising technology adoption, and abundant natural resources. Companies on the continent are expanding rapidly, creating potential for long-term gains. By investing now, you could be part of that growth story. But remember, higher growth potential often comes with higher risk. Stock prices in Africa can be more volatile due to economic or political changes. That's why research and diversification, spreading your investments across different companies and sectors, are key strategies for reducing risk. How to get started? Getting started is simpler than you might think. First, choose a broker that operates in your country. Many platforms now allow Africans to invest online with just a few clicks. Next, learn about the companies you want to invest in. Check their financial reports, market trends, and news. Start small if you're new and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence. You don't need to pick the perfect stock every time. Consistency, patience, and learning from experience are what help most investors succeed. So, the African stock market may seem complex at first, but it's really just a tool for growing your wealth over time. By understanding how it works, you can take advantage of opportunities and secure your financial future. If you're ready to explore Africa's stock market, start small, stay informed, and watch your investments grow alongside some of the most exciting companies on the continent. If you found this guide useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips on investing and making money, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.